In this video, we'll explore how to create company knowledge paths or trainings for PTC Creo using our Create or Edit Path module. Let's dive in and see how simple and powerful this process can be. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Solidworks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. This powerful tool enables you to create customized learning paths and training programs tailored to PTC Creo users. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a company knowledge path with the None category, starting with an overview of the Create or Edit Paths module. At its core, the Create or Edit Path module is a powerful tool for designing personalized learning paths for enterprise software like PTC Creo, ThingWorx, Windchill, and more. Tailored to the unique needs of your organization, this feature lets you curate training resources, including video tutorials, helpful articles, reference documentation, feature enhancements, and more. With this module, your team has a personal guidebook for learning anytime, anywhere, reducing the need for constant supervision. Let's dive into the process of creating a knowledge path. It's as simple as following these 4 steps. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Step 3, add tags. Step 4, preview. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a company knowledge path. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Start by clicking on the Create button in the Select Knowledge Path Type section. Here, you'll see 2 options. Personal Knowledge Path, available to all users, enabling them to create individual learning paths. Company Knowledge Path, exclusive to admin users, allowing them to share paths with the entire organization. For this demonstration, we'll choose Company Knowledge Path. Next, you'll decide on the relationship type. For a None category knowledge path, no parent-child hierarchy is needed. This makes the path a standalone resource. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Now, specify the knowledge path attributes. Enter a unique and descriptive name for your path, up to 90 characters. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context or link to external resources. When you're done, click Next to proceed. Step 3, adding tags. In the Add Tags section, organize your knowledge path using relevant tags. Tags make it easier for users to find your content. Use the search box to locate specific tags. Here, bearing loads in generative topology optimization as the searched tag in the search box. Preview a tag's content before adding it to the path. Here, the tag preview of one of the tag named Support Mass Idealizations in Generative Design. You can even click on the hyperlink to confirm whether the link is redirecting to the proper place or not. Add tags by clicking on plus button. Once you've finalized your tags, click Next to continue. Step 4, previewing the knowledge path. Finally, preview your knowledge path. Review the structure and content to ensure everything is in place. Click Save to finalize your knowledge path or Back to make adjustments. Use View Path to see how learners will experience your knowledge path. And that's it. You've successfully created a company knowledge path with the None category in Punditas AI. Whether you're onboarding new team members or sharing advanced expertise, the Create or Edit Paths module ensures that your knowledge is organized, accessible, and impactful. This knowledge path will be visible to all the employees of the company. You can use Punditas AI's Create or Edit Paths module directly within PTC Creo Parametric. The Create or Edit Paths module in Punditas for PTC Creo simplifies knowledge sharing by allowing users to create customized, structured learning paths. It enhances onboarding, improves content discoverability with tags, and offers flexibility with standalone paths, all tailored to PTC Creo users' needs. Explore how to create company knowledge paths and trainings for PTC Creo using the Create or Edit Path module. Tailored for enterprise software, this module enhances onboarding, content discoverability, and knowledge sharing. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.